I'm constantly inspired by our students' passion and commitment, both to their academic success, but also to their volunteer work and their commitment to viewing their role as lawyers as public servants. One of the main reasons our students are able to achieve that success is because of the support of donors like you. To express our appreciation, we'd like to show you exactly the sort of impact that your gifts are making.
Two of the scholarships that I have received from donors that I'm most proud of are probably the Tom Golly Prize in Common Law Studies and the Victor Hessian Prize in Labor Law. Those were two awards that I worked really hard to try and get. When I learned that I'd received my first scholarship, it was just such an honor to know that some of the hard work had paid off and that there were donors that had been willing to help me in my studies going through law school, so it was a really exciting moment.
Previous to law school, I was a victim offender mediator with the Alternative Measures Program in Prince Albert. I decided to come to law school because I've seen firsthand in court that there was a need for more First Nations lawyers. In 2012, I was diagnosed with thrombotic thrombocytopenia purpura, which is a rare blood disease. This past June, I had a relapse and I had a 2-week hospital stay. I received the Judge William Ross Campbell Award, which is given to students who have overcome challenges during law school. It made me feel proud and that I could continue on with my studies and that I was recognized for what I have overcome.
I decided to go to law school to be an advocate, precisely to help people who may not have access to justice or may not have the means to even pursue their matters. I received the College of Law travel bursary that was earmarked for students to travel and volunteer around the world. In my case, I traveled to Ghana, where I'm originally from, and it gave me the opportunity to serve in the legal aid scheme in Ghana, as well as the UN Development Program. I was pleasantly surprised when I learned I had received this bursary. I was shocked. In fact, I remember running to the bookstore to buy a thank you card right after that. It meant a lot to me.
I am really sincerely thankful for the financial support. It meant a lot and it took us a long way.
Receiving scholarships and bursaries has really changed my studies because it's allowed me to just solely focus on my academics and doing well in law school. I haven't had to worry about student debt or taking on a part-time job, so it's allowed me to excel in law school, and I really attribute my success to that.
I would not have been able to travel at all while in school. It's one of those things that I had on my bucket list, but I wasn't sure I could do it. It's one thing you put on there that it's just wishful thinking.
After I graduate, I would like to practice criminal law. If not, I would like to continue with my master's.
Good question. Probably have my own firm, with a few friends I like.
I think in 10 years, I hopefully see myself in a successful law practice, and I would really like to be able to have the opportunity to give back to the College of Law and impact students the way that donors have impacted me with their generosity.
And it makes me want to do the same in the future when I'm in the position to donate to students.
It allows law students to give back to their communities as well.
Thank you on behalf of all the students at the College of Law for your generosity.
Because of you, the college provides one of the best law school experiences in Canada.
Because of you, you've allowed me to focus on my studies and not have to worry about the financial stress, which has allowed me to excel in law school.
Because of you, I feel the strength to continue with my studies.
Because of you, generous people, I was able to cross an item off my bucket list.
Thank you.